Imagine owning 25 acres in the Smoky Mountains of North Carolina. It's something that most people don't have access to unless you have millions of dollars to personally invest in a property, or you are a member of a private equity fund that invests in these types of properties. At YakDAO, what we are doing is decentralizing these types of investments. So we are opening this up to the retail investor. We've got 5 bookable glamping units on a 25-acre piece of recreational use land. We've got a private pond, swimming hole, plus we stocked it with rainbow trout. We've got a barrel sauna on the property. And the cool thing about this whole property is it is 100% financed through blockchain investors. There's no debt on the property. It is 100% owned through a DAO. So just a unique structure to this, something that we feel like can scale and really opens up a different class of investment to retail investors. So the way it works is 30% of the revenue that's produced from this property, which, like I said, is already bought, operational, and has 5 units renting out right now. 30% of that revenue goes to token buybacks, and those buybacks go to the those that are staking the token. So that provide an APR. So just a unique opportunity as a retail investor to own a slice of, something that wasn't accessible prior to DeFi. An exciting opportunity. We're going to be launching our token in Q1 of next year, 2024. So check us out, yak.camp, at the YakDAO on Twitter, and YakDAO on Telegram. Check you guys later.